Do you want to teach amazing online martial arts classes? Then you're gonna love this video. I'm Jesse from karatebyjesse.com, and today you're gonna learn 7 tips guaranteed to take your online classes to the next level. And it doesn't matter if you use Zoom or Skype or Google Hangouts or some other software. Just make sure you watch all the way to the end for a very special bonus. Now let's get started. First and foremost, let's talk about light and audio. I can't stress the importance of this enough. I'm gonna offer 2 solutions for each. First, the low budget solution. Stand in front of a window and place cardboard boxes or pillows around the room. The soft and natural light from the window provides you with a really nice look. And the more things around the room that can absorb the echo from your voice, the better. This is literally what my living room looked like when I recorded my online course about social media marketing. As you can see, I'm also using light stands, which brings me to the high budget solution. Get proper lights and a good microphone. The microphone can either be a small mic that you attach to your clothes or a bigger mic attached to your camera or phone. Regarding the lights, it's best to have 2 lights. One key light closer to you at a 45-degree angle above and one fill light further away straight ahead. But honestly, even just 1 light will help. Trust me. Next, we're gonna talk about the space you're gonna use. Remember that people who attend your online classes might not have as much space as you do, especially if they're training at home. So step 1 is to pick a small space. Even if you're filming in a big space, put some tape on the floor to mark up a small perimeter. Then make sure it fits in the frame. This ensures that you won't accidentally move out of sight. I recommend that you do a test run with a friend. Just make sure everything looks and sounds good. If you find it hard to see or hear your students, consider using a TV monitor and real speakers instead of just your phone or laptop. In fact, you can even have both. And why not have 2 cameras? One for your live class and another one for recording and saving the class, so you can publish it for people who couldn't attend live. Plus, you can then watch that recording and review your own performance to improve your own teaching skills. Now let's talk about how you talk, because it can be really awkward to talk to a camera. I know because I've done it for many years now, and the key is to act like you're talking to a person, even though a camera looks nothing like a person. But as you know, there are real people on the other side of that lens. So talk to the camera just like you're talking to your students. This means don't talk too fast. Treat the tempo just like a regular class. Remember to ask questions and also pause for your students to answer. Speaking of talking, let's not forget your body language, because experts say it's 90% of communication. So it's really important that you don't do anything too intricate, as the camera won't pick it up. It can be really hard to see small and detailed movements, especially if your students are looking at small screens. So by all means, feel free to exaggerate your range of motion, but also slow down any quick parts. Be overly pedagogical, because it might feel silly in the beginning, but your students will thank you. It's a good idea to have a script and make notes to plan out your class, at least until you can get comfortable and start freestyling, because the tempo of a class moves much faster online, and you have to be prepared for this. So either teach shorter classes than in real life or plan more content. I suggest you also add some buffer time, because people usually need a couple of minutes to join and connect. So if you have 40-minute schedule, plan for a 30-minute class. And don't be afraid to mute your students when you're teaching. Next, don't be afraid to incorporate household items to spice up your class. You can use different types of balls, a washcloth, hula hoops, chairs, and much more. This is especially useful if your students are tuning in from home and don't have the proper equipment you'd expect at a martial arts school. Just make sure they don't swing a broomstick into their living room lamp. the bonus I was talking about. You see, it doesn't matter how great your classes are if nobody is joining them. You need to learn how to attract new students and engage your old students online to grow your martial arts school. And the best way to do this right now is through social media marketing, especially if you don't want to waste time and money in the process. Luckily, I was recently invited to speak at a conference for martial arts school owners, just like you, where I revealed my 3 secrets of social media marketing. And right now, you can get my full presentation for free at www.martialarts.social. I hope you like it. Just go check that out, and good luck.